Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to nairalearn.com. Today, I will be giving you access to Brigade Content is a King ebook version. Okay, so how do you get to the content? Just come to nairalearn.com and go to blog and news. Okay, once you give blog and news a click, it will take you to here. Are you seeing it? Content is a king. I don't know, depending on the time you're visiting NairaLearn. As you can see, today is 27th of March, and we just published this Content is a King by Brigade just now, some few minutes ago. So if you're coming to NairaLearn and you can't see it on the first pages, what you should do is to do what? Type in here, Content is King, okay, and click on search. It will lead you to what? This powerful ebook by Brigade. So just give it a click, and here you are. Okay, so it's an ebook, so all you need to do is to locate any of the download link. You can download it from here. Okay, so locate any of the download link and give it a click, and it will take you to the ebook. So you can click here, or you can look for this icon and give it a click, whether you're browsing from a mobile system or from a desktop system. Just give it a click and you are good to go. Apart from that, you can even read it on your web browser right here on universityofnairalearn.com. So what should we do now? As you can see, Content is a King. It's like a prophetic essay by Brigade since 1996. Okay, Brigade prophesied. Yeah, it's a prophetic essay by Brigade, believe me. So now let me take you in. Now you need to read this book with an understanding. Okay, read the book with an open mind. Now, as you can see, have you ever wondered where the phrase "content is a king"? If you are an internet marketer or you're working more online, you will always come across this phrase, "content is a king." So here is the first question. Have you ever wondered where the phrase "content is a king" stemmed from? Here you have it, the prophetic essay by Brigade. Okay, so please read this book with an open mind. So let's get started. In January 1996, Brigade wrote the following essay titled "Content is a King," which was published on the Microsoft website. Content is where I expected much of the real money will be made on the internet, just as it was in broadcasting. This is his first statement. He said that content is where real money will be made, just as it was during the era of broadcasting, such as television, radio, magazine, print newspapers, etc. Okay, so currently now, this prophecy have come to pass because right now a lot of people are making thousands to millions of money daily right from internet, optimizing their content. Okay, so that is one prophecy. Now you should read this thing to understand what this content is all about. Now, television revolution that began half a century ago spanned some industry, including the manufacturers of TV sets, but the long-term winner were those who used the medium to deliver information and entertainment. Now, Brigade is telling us that during the era of broadcasting, a lot of people leverage the system, okay, by going there to advertise, and those people who went to advertise their product and services to deliver their content on broadcasting system media gained a lot. They were the what? Winner. And now Brigade is telling us to do what? To replicate such by trying to leverage the power of internet content. We should try to leverage the power of internet content, that those who leverage the power of internet will also end up as a winner. And it's still on. It's still on. Internet is not going away. Broadcasting is going away right now, but the internet still remain. A lot of people, after reading this ebook, went and started one or two other niches, trying to do or to deliver their value content to the online audience. So just on your own, I have given you some tips why you should read this book. Download the book right here from nairalearn.com. Okay, download the book and read the book. Reread it again. It's a book everyone should read, and it's very short, about 1,000 something words. Okay, 8 pages. So under some few minutes you're done with the book. But what matters is the change. I don't know if you're getting it, what you get from the book. So read it with an understanding and you are good to go. Thank you so much. My name remains Mbono Watson. You can come to Naira Learn for your professional courses and skill. Okay, so just click on e-course and browse our archive of courses. Okay, you can learn online or you can learn offline. You can order any of the course and get it delivered straight to your home address. Thank you so much. I remain my humble self, Mbono Watson, right here in NairaLearn.com.